Hello, boys and girls. Hello, my sailors. I hope you can see me right now. Please let me know if you are able to hear me and see me in the chat box. You know the drill. All right. Okay, so everyone can see me and hear me. Hi, boys and girls. A very good afternoon, and today I will discuss some good NTA questions with you guys. Are you guys excited? Are you guys happy? Please let me know in the chat box. Yes, sir. We were waiting for this, and this is our first chemistry discussion of these NTA questions that are coming. ठीक है, those NTA questions we are taking up for the first time. I'm excited. Let's have a good session. Let's have a great session. And yes, I am Harsh Maheshwari. For those of you who are seeing me for the very first time, I am from NIT Warangal, and I believe in one thing: jo karo, maze se karo. Right? Put your 100%, give in your 100% for the things you love, and you will see the success. Success would follow automatically. All right. So let's and make sure you download this. You take the screenshot, beta screenshot of this particular calendar. I'm gonna come up for a menti quiz today as well on chemical kinetics and some questions on surface chemistry also. If you are interested, if you are there, right, if you want to test yourself for that particular chapter, do come and join menti at 8 p.m. also. All right, moving on, boys and girls. Download the app. We are giving we are conducting some great quizzes, and there is some guaranteed cash prize, Paytm prize you will get, Paytm money you will get. So make sure you go check it out, and all the best if in case you win. All right, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Boys and girls who is coming here for the very first time, do one favor to us and to yourself. Subscribe to our channel. You will be amazed by the quality of the content we are putting out. All right, let's move ahead. First question on the screen. Boys and girls, first question on the screen. Read the question. Let me know what is the correct answer. Waiting for your response. What is the correct answer to this question? Sab bata do. Giving you few minutes to get the answer. What is the answer? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Let me know. All right, Shivam has answered so far. B, A, B. आंसर चैट बॉक्स में दो. अभी तो फिलहाल चैट बॉक्स में ही आंसर दो. आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स. All right, so I'm getting your responses. Boys and girls, all right, good to see that energy coming in. The correct answer is 1. Boys and girls, let's discuss this. You guys know E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log Q. Boys and girls, E cell and E naught cell has been given to be equal, right? So can I say this entire thing will become 0? Can I say log Q will become equal? It will become equal to 0, right? It means Q is equal to 1. Can I say one thing from here? Now read the question carefully. I know the value of Q. I just solved it for you based on the very first information I got. Now I have this reaction. They are asking us to find the value of X, which will come definitely in the Q portion, right? So do us a favor. Everyone would do this. Can you write the Q for this reaction? Reaction is right in front of you. The Q would be what? Fe plus 2 whole twice into, here water will not come, divided by concentration of your O2, pressure of the O2 into H plus ion concentration raised to power 4. Badhiya. And you guys from here know that Q is equal to 1. H plus is given to us indirectly, that is 10 power minus X, correct? Can't you find the value of X by putting all the values? Can we put the values now, boys and girls? अब हम values put कर सकते हैं. Put your values properly. Tell me what is the answer now. How Q is equal to, देखो, E cell and E naught cell are equal, so E cell minus E naught cell. This will become 0. If this will become 0, beta, check this out, then very, very easy. If this will become 0, that's the trickiest part. That's the fun part for this question actually. If this will become 0, then 0 is equal to this entire thing. Can I take up here? वो भी तो सब 0 बन जाएगा. Entire thing, if I will take up here, that will become 0 itself, right? That will mean that log Q is equal to 0. And log Q 0, it means Q value is what? 1. That's the trick. That was the fun part. And when you will solve it, you'll get the answer. Correct? I hope everyone understood. That's the solution for you. You guys can see that, and I hope everyone understood. Okay? X will come as 1. Alright, moving on. Second question on solid state. So some amazing questions I have taken. Let's see if you will like this one. The radius ratio of KF is 0.98. The structure of KF is of the type. Please tell me what will be the type of KF structure. All right. This is second question. Who are coming late? This is second question. You guys have just missed the first one. All right. What is the answer to this question, sailors? All right. Karan, he has a separate channel. You can go there if you want to watch him. All right. The answer is not A. The answer is not B. The answer is C. Boys and girls, the radius ratio has been mentioned to us. 0.98. It is in the range of 0. More than 0.732, but less than 1. This is the range for cubic, coordination number would be here as 8, and the void that is produced is cubical void. If you guys remember, the void that is present is cubical void. And cesium chloride falls under this category. Cesium chloride falls under this category. You have to learn this. This structure is important. So cesium chloride is the answer because KF is coming in that particular ratio. For example, let me just give you more data for this particular question because you got it wrong. NaCl, boys and girls, NaCl, here your radius ratio, R plus R minus, the radius ratio is nearly equal to 0.52, right? It comes in the category of an octahedral void. Here, the coordination number is 6:6, right? And it comes in the category, the void form would be octahedral void. If I talk about ZnS beta, R plus plus R minus, it is nearly equal to 0.3. The radius ratio I'm telling you, experimental, right? It will come around this category. If you learn them, it's good because they are in your syllabus. They are in these crystals, all of them are in your syllabus. Okay? And here, since this is in this range, this is in the range of radius ratio being more than 0.225 but less than 0.414. So that will come under the category of tetrahedral void. Here void form is tetrahedral void and the coordination number is 4:4. For both the ions, coordination number is 4:4. Okay. And last but not least, it is fluoride and here coordination number is quite interesting, 8:4. Right? It will also form tetrahedral void. It will also form tetrahedral void. The radius ratio is from 0.225 to 0.414. I hope everyone understood. Yes, you will get the PDF after this session. PDF is already attached in the description box. So do not worry, you will get the PDF of whatever I am teaching here. Okay? Moving on. This chapter was solid state. Are you having fun? Are you liking it, boys and girls? सबको मजा आ रहा है? सबको clear हो रहा है? Yes, let me know. Shall I move ahead? Boys, yes, you have to remember. Now you are thinking, now some of you are getting confused. So I have a very good news for you. Boys and girls, I have covered this solid state part. I have discussed very important questions which also came up in JEE in this link, right? If you click on this link, if you just click on this link, boys and girls, it will take you to my the link to this is also attached in the description. I have discussed some crystals of solid state, and I have discussed some JEE main questions as well. So if you want to try that, it is kind of a one-shot revision for the crystal. So I have made 2 parts on it. You would definitely love them. You would definitely love them. Check that out. Okay? So this link I'm attaching in the description box. It will definitely help you guys out. Okay? That's my humble attempt to make your crystals clear to you. Okay? So that it will become crystal clear. Alright, so this is that link, solid state part 1, part 2. You can also check it out when you will click the link. Moving on. Next question, boys and girls. Next question. Hybridization of the underlined atom is affected when? Okay, they're basically asking you which of the following option is having the hybridization disturbed or changed. That will be your correct answer. Please let me know. Let me know. The light is not that clear. I just noticed the light is not that clear. You find the answer and give me 1 second. I'll just arrange something. Alright, I is just trying to fix the light. Alright, so you guys are giving the answers. Let's just, go ahead and find what's the correct answer. Correct answer is B. All you guys had to do, check out what is the combination that is coming. So देखो क्या होने वाला है बेटा. Here you will get decarboxylation, you will get methane plus carbon dioxide. Hybridization here for the carbon was sp3. Here also it is sp3. It is also sp3. So unaffected. If I talk about here chlorination, it is also sp3 right now. In this case also, if I will do chlorination, it will still be sp3. It will still be sp3. Nitration, guys, I hope you understood. It will still be sp3. Previously it was sp2, my bad. And this will again remain sp2 only. Only substitution happened, correct? So the answer is B. When you do dehydration here, when it is affected. When you dehydration, it will become alkene. It will become alkene. Right now it is sp3. When you will do dehydration, it will become an alkene. Hybridization would be changed to sp2. यहाँ पे ये sp2 बन जाएगा. That's it. I hope it is clear. How easy. Good questions were given. Nice, like the kind of questions we are expecting that would come in our JEE. राइट सो काफ़ी अच्छे सवाल दिए हैं. डिसेंट स्टैंडर्ड है, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छे सवाल हैं. पिछले 2 तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. द लास्ट 2 आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. फर्स्ट वन वाज क्वाइट गुड. लेट्स मूव ऑन. आगे बढ़ते हैं. दिस वन इज अ बेसिकली बेटा, दिस क्वेश्चन इज मोर ऑफ अ memory based question. Let's see if you guys know the answer. Here my role is quite less, but it is a memory based question. It was asked, I have taken it up. What is the answer? All right, what is the answer, beta? Waiting for your responses. Very good, very good. The correct answer is actually D. The correct answer is D. Who got the answer as D is correct. They have learned their reactions properly. They have actually learned their reactions properly. So check this out. When XeF6 will be subjected for partial hydrolysis, you will get XeOF4. And similar compound you're also obtaining when you will take silica and XeF6. You'll get XeO4, okay? Along with SiF4. So yes, this is the answer. It was memory based question as I told. Answer was D. You got it right. Who said D? Got it right. Alright, moving on. आगे बढ़ूंगा. What is the answer to this question? Giving you few minutes. Let's say 1 minute. Answer this question quickly. The product B is. Waiting for your responses. जल्दी से बताइए क्या आंसर होगा. Option B, someone is saying C, and I'm very happy and delighted to say answer is option B. बहुत simple. This is your Grignard reagent, one of your favorite reagent. Well, no, your favorite compound is something else. I know your favorite compound is alcohol. I'm pretty sure. Here, the R minus is actually nothing but pH minus. This pH minus beta will attack your epoxide in this manner. Opening it up, you will get what? pH CH2 O minus. Then you are doing hydrolysis. Hey, very simple. Then after that you will get pH CH2 OH. So 2-phenyl. From here you will do numbering now. 1, 2. So 2-phenyl ethanol. Is that clear? Is that clear? सबको समझ आ गया? Very easy, very straightforward. I have also attached the solutions. Just my writing is not that good. That's where sometimes I just attach solutions. Okay. All right. Moving on. Now, give the answer to this question. Amazing question. I am just going off so that you can see the option properly. Here I go. Now tell me, what is the answer? The correct order of basicity of the given compound is. What is the correct answer? I just read this comment. Sorry for stopping your flow or disturbing your flow. Pay attention. Someone said, sir, pH minus is unstable. Boys and girls, if there is any R group attached to Grignard reagent, any ऐसे लिखना नहीं चाहिए, any ऐसे लिखना चाहिए. Let me just write it properly. I read some comment and I had to address that. pH, whatever R is attached na beta to Grignard reagent, beta, it will always be in the form of R minus mgx. Do not worry. I put anything here R, it will form R minus of it. So do not worry about the stability right now. Okay? Alright, it is formed and it is very reactive. It will attack very quickly. Alright. Answer to this question is, kya answer hai bacha? The correct order of basicity of the given compound is option C. Someone is saying, बहुत बढ़िया, बिल्कुल सही. Option C. Yes, बिल्कुल सही. Boys and girls, make a habit of understand. Not make a habit. Try to understand the one fact. If I give you aniline or aliphatic amine, this is aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine. Here, the lone pair is localized. Means it is on nitrogen or it is with nitrogen only, right? And the hybridization is sp3, less S character is less, percentage S character is less. But if I talk about aromatic compound, check this out, this is very, very important. If I talk about aromatic compound, this lone pair is not exactly with nitrogen anymore. It is a part of resonance. Okay? As a result, lone pair we call it as delocalized. And here hybridization is beta sp2. Hybridization of nitrogen is sp2. Percentage S character is more. What I am trying to tell here is, what is lone pair which can give, what is a lone pair, boys and girls? Or let me tell you like this. What is a lone pair which can fire away what is a base which can fire away the lone pair very easily? That is called as a good base, right? If something is on you, then you can actually give nitrogen. In the case of aliphatic amine, lone pair is on nitrogen, it can be easily given away for donation. But in aniline, the problem is that lone pair is not with nitrogen anymore. It is actually a part of the delocalization. It is a part of the benzene ring. It is just like your parents have given you $100 and you have loaned it out to your friend, and some other friend is coming and asking, can I have some money? But like, I don't have it, but it is your money. It has been given away somewhere else, right? So that's the point here. So sp3, this one is sp2 hybridized. The lone pair is not exactly with the nitrogen. So keep in mind, aliphatic amines will always be more basic as compared to aromatic amine. I have pointed out here, always more basic. And if you will put an electron donating group, it is always going to help your case. If you will put an electron donating group on your, by chance, for example, in this option, if you see, this was the most, aniline was the least, right? But if I put an electron donating group, that is plus M effect, it is going to give plus M effect. It is going to increase the basicity a slightly it will increase it. Whereas if I put an electron withdrawing group, minus M and minus I, where minus m is prominent, it is going to take away the electrons and the basicity will decrease. I hope it is clear. समझ आ गया बेटा? क्लियर है बच्चों? ऑलराइट, आगे बढ़ेंगे, आगे बढ़ते हैं फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. ठीक है? ऑलराइट. Yes, this is really live. Next question, answer to it. Please let me know what is the correct answer. I tell, according to me, all questions are good. I do not discriminate. There is no disparity from my side to any kind of question. I'm sorry. So let me know what is the correct answer for this. हाँ बेटा, I'll continue this mock test discussion every Wednesday. I'll come up live and I'll teach you, है ना? Don't worry. So Aditi was asking to continue it. Yes. Sorry, Adi Sri was asking. Adi, yes, I'll do that. What's the answer to this? No idea. Someone just was being very honest. Abhishek Jain was like, I don't know. So the correct answer is, sorry, what happened? What just happened? The correct answer is C option, right? How you are getting it, it's quite easy. Delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT ln, or I should write log, my bad, log Q. Use this, make two equations. You have the data with you, RT will cancel out, right? We are there basically asking what is the ratio of equilibrium constant, right? Or at equilibrium, Q is nothing but equal to K. So if I modify this, delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. You need to find the ratio of this. Let's say this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Make equations from there, delta G value is there, make equations there. From there, two equations will come, as you can see. And take the ratio. It's quite easy. It's actually a very easy problem, to be very honest. ये काफी आसान सवाल था अब तक का. How much time more? Royala Bindu Krishna. Let's see how many questions we have. ऐसे तो मैं अंदाजा लगा के नहीं आया. I'm sorry. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. This question is amazing. Let me know what is the correct answer. This is a very popular reaction and a very popular answer I'll give you. Let me know what is the correct answer. जल्दी बताइए क्या आंसर है. Waiting for your response. I am waiting for you, Aryan. Answer करिए. The compound is this. I'm giving you a hint side by side. Chlorobromo, है ना? You are adding sodium in the presence of dry ether. What is this reaction? What is this reaction? Very prominent reaction, Wood's reaction. And you are using two equivalents. Two equivalents. You guys know, let me tell you a very important fact. This reaction follows, free radical intermediate. So basically free radical would be formed here and here. Now some may argue, ki sir, what will happen? Would it go for another molecule from outside, do some arrangement or do something? No. याद रखना, intramolecular reactions are always very fast as compared to intermolecular. What do you mean by intra? The reaction can happen within the same molecule. Check this out. This is quite amazing. काफी बढ़िया compound बनते हैं इसमें. Just let me change the color of. Let's use blue. So what will happen? They will pair up, and they will actually form up a bond. Intramolecular reaction will happen. That's the best part. Intramolecular reaction. हाँ, एक और चीज सुनो बेटा, एक और चीज सुनो. अच्छा, it was not visible. Check this out. It will become visible. Intramolecular reaction will come. That's what I have done. ठीक है? Check this out. This is also one question to you. Let's see who will give the answer correct answer. I'm just doing it here. Same question. As a homework I am giving, try to solve it. And if you get it, do let me know in the comment box. I'm adding here sodium, and I'm adding here ether. Of course, dry ether. है ना? Let's see if you can get the answer. Name the reaction, name the compound, what will be obtained. Okay. Next one. Let me know what is the correct answer. आंसर बताइए. The OH group of the methyl alcohol cannot be replaced. ये तो काफी आराम से हो सकता है. I want everyone to give the right answer for this one. The OH group of methyl alcohol cannot be replaced by chlorine by the action of. I think ये सब ने जिसको chemistry ढंग से पढ़ी है थोड़ी सी, they can give the answer. Yeah, all of these are like proper reagents. First one is actually Lucas, phosphorus trichloride, pentachloride. These are actually chlorinating agents only. ये काफी chlorination करते हैं. But chlorine alone cannot be used. So chlorine is the wrong answer. So here answer is option A. Here answer is option A. Very good. So you guys have read your chemistry properly. All right. So ये solution है. You guys can check it out. All right. Otherwise there is no need actually. हाँ जी. अब बताओ. ये बड़ा amazing है. I am pretty sure you guys are aware of excluded volume per molecule. I am pretty sure you guys are knowing it. For example, when two atoms will come close to each other and start revolving, if the radius is r, this is also r, right? So closest approach is nothing but 2r, right? And when they start moving, it take up this particular circle. So whatever inside the volume of this particular circle will be excluded. That is nothing but excluded volume per molecule. That comes out to be what? 4, because that will come as 4 into 4 pi r cube. R will be here 2r, right? 2r cube. So it will become 8 बाहर आ गया, right? 4 by, इसको ऐसे लिख लो, 4 by 3 pi r cube, है ना? Right? So 8, 4 और ये 16 कर देता हूँ. Simple, directly I am writing here. मैं इसका सीधे आंसर ही लिख देता हूँ. 4 by 3 pi r cube, r being here for the bigger circle as 2r. So it will become 8 pi r cube, है ना? So इसको हम कर देंगे कितना? मैंने इसको यही चीज पूरा 4 by 3 आगे जाके हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको हाफ कर दो. 4 by 3, 8 by 3. मैं इसको क्या, 1 second, स्लाइड फंबल फ्रॉम माय साइड, 1 second. तो ये पूरा बड़े सर्कल का था. दिस इज पर मॉलिक्यूल. This is per molecule, per 2 molecule. I want the answer for 1 molecule. Per molecule, what is the excluded volume? It will be half of it, right? And since I want for mole as well, so total will become 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This will be for per mole. This is nothing but B. What is B here? B is nothing but 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the question, you have been answered, you have been given B value. You have been given R. You need to find R value. B is given to us as 4 pi into 10 power minus 4. R value I don't know. When I will solve this, this is nothing but B, Van der Waals gas constant. It is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into Avogadro number. Sorry, I just missed Avogadro number. Into Avogadro number. When you will solve it properly, you will get the value of R. If I know R, let's say it is some X, 2R will be double of it. That's it. हमारे को यहाँ पे 2R निकालना है. They are asking what is the closest distance of approach between the two atoms. This is the question. So when you will solve it, you will get the value of R as 5 into 10 power minus 9 centimeter. Closest approach would be double of it. That's it. 2R. Done? Yeah, the homework I have given, you have to drop it down in the comment box. Okay? When I will be done with the video. All right, so answer is B. I hope it is clear. Up simple. What we have to do? So what you have to do? You have to just put the value of B, find value of R. What is the closest distance? 2R. That's it. Done. Okay. Tell me what is the answer to this one. Tell me what is the answer to this one. Let me know what is the correct answer here, boys and girls. Waiting for your response. I think you guys saw. What is the correct answer? Yeah, online class. Yeah. Answer is A. Very simple question. You guys know HNO3 and chlorine. Chlorine is actually ortho-para directing group. So nitration will happen here, and anywhere you can put any one side, you can put your choice. I'm putting here. It will become NO2, right? Of course, this will become like this. After next step, epoxide is there, actually will be formed. This is Williamson ether synthesis. So what will happen? CH3O minus will attack and remove chlorine, one of the chlorine. What you will get? This NO2. Achha, one question will come up in mind. Ki why the attack is happening at this particular carbon only? Here partial positive charge would be maximum. Maximum kyun? Because there is an NO2 group attached to it. It is going to withdraw the electron density. As a result, the nucleophile can attack very fast. That's the question. Question can come up in your mind. Ki sir, why can't I attack here? Instead, you are saying I am attacking the chlorine which is next to NO2. The logic being very simple logic. Ki yaar, the carbon here is actually having more positive charge on it, right? Because NO2 group is going to withdraw the electron density by the virtue of minus M and minus I. I hope it is clear. जी बिल्कुल सही. Clear हो गया बेटा? Is this clear? Very good. बढ़िया. S and aromatic, yeah. So aromatic substitutions are also possible, but you need to heat up. Yeah. All right. Next question, easiest one. Direct formula use. Let's see if you guys remember your direct formula. Direct formula you have to use, and you will get the answer. What is the correct answer? I can understand Telugu, yaar, Samaila. I get this question a lot. Hanji, so correct answer is option B. The answer is option B. How do you guys get it? pH is equal to, what is the formula? 7 plus half pKa minus pKb. Everything is mentioned to you. All you guys need to do is just put the formula, right? You just need to put the formula. What is the formula? pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa minus pKb. Correct? Values were given to you. So these are some good questions, easy questions from your NTA. NTA is also giving out some amazing questions. I'm liking it so far. They have not unnecessarily made the questions difficult so that student feel dissatisfied. अच्छे सवाल है. And do you see how important is for you guys to understand the basic? If you understand the basic, easily you can answer. What is the answer to this question, beta? Which one of the following cannot be prepared by B2H6? This is nothing but banana bond. It forms a banana bond. I hope you guys remember. Which cannot be formed by the help of banana bond, by the help of B2H6. What is the correct answer? What do you mean by GOV? What doubt, beta? Bolo. GOC, okay. Alright, so I'm checking it out. Answer is actually, boys and girls, देखो बड़ा simple. Which of the following cannot be prepared from B2H6? B2H6 has 4 terminal bonds, 4 terminal BH bond. These are relatively weak bonds. They are weaker as compared to the bridge bonds, right? We have 2 bridge bonds. This bond, you notice bridge bonds are there, right? For the 2 hydrogens, we have for 2 hydrogen, for two hydrogen, we have bridged bonds. Let me write it in this manner. This statement is more, technically right. So for 2 hydrogens, one second. Hanji. So for 2 hydrogens, we have bridged bonds. Correct. Bridged bonds are actually more stronger, so they will not be replaced easily. वो आराम से replace हो नहीं पाते. That's why maximum it can do for the replacement. If each of the following cannot be prepared from B2H6, this can be formed. I can replace all 4 terminal hydrogens by CH3, but I can't do, I can't replace these 2 hydrogens by CH3 because these bonds are strongly, held together by the boron, because these are 2 center 3 electron. I am saying it wrong. Basically, यहाँ पर ये 3 center 2 electron bond है. 3 center 2 electron bonds because they are now strongly packed, right? They are more strongly packed as compared to the normal conventional wire. That's why the answer would be that, I cannot prepare option C. The answer is C is the answer. I cannot replace all the 6 hydrogens by CH3. हम वो नहीं कर सकते. I can replace maximum by 4. ठीक है? All right. Moving on. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. I hope you guys understood. ठीक है? All right. I take the classes there also, Bullseye. I take that. This question has the controversial answer. I have definitely taken this question to tell you one thing. The answer here is wrong. According to the NTA website, the answer was given wrong. I tell you what is the answer. Please tell me what is your view. What is your answer for this question? On the website, I found something else. I was not happy with it. What is the correct answer? We will discuss this. Which of the following is less than 0 during adsorption? Technically, if I have to be very correct, strictly speaking, if I have to, not even technically, strictly, if I have to say the correct answer should be A. For any adsorption, it is all spontaneous, right? There are some close corner cases in which you can get endothermic adsorption. What NTA has done, they have taken up the case where there is endothermic adsorption, delta H will become positive. There is a chance that delta G can become positive. That is wrong. I do not agree with that. There are some corner cases, but if I give overall view to this particular question, the answer should be delta G. It should be, strictly speaking, answer should be delta G. This they have given answer as option D, which in my humble opinion is wrong, because they are taking the extreme corner case that there are some cases in chemistry reported where you have endothermic chemisorption. Based on that, they have taken ki delta G can come up as positive. That is, they have extremely taken, reverse psychology वहाँ पे लगाया है कुछ psychological factor, which I do not agree with at all. The correct answer here should be delta G. Strictly speaking, answer should be delta G. So definitely I have taken up this question to tell you this information that the answer here is wrong. In the NTA side, on that website, it was wrong. Okay? All right. सबको समझ आया? Let's move on. Shall I move on? Did you understand the information I'm trying to give you guys here? All my sailors, you understanding? Bullseye. I'm gonna come up, for the 12th standard. I'm gonna, I think 20th it is starting. Then you can join. All right, moving on. Last question for today's evening. जल्दी से मुझे आंसर कर दो. What is the answer to this question? We will end the session with this beautiful question. If you do reverse psychological, reverse, what do you say? The reverse engineering here, you will get the answer. Yeah. Do reverse engineering, you'll get the answer. Ulta socho. Answer. What is the answer to this question? Still waiting for your response. नहीं मिला अब तक. Retrosynthesis. Yeah, ulta socho. Retro is the correct word. Yeah. Didn't come up in my mind. Okay, so give the answers, boys and girls. There are many students in the class right now. Lucas reagent is nothing but Zn zinc chloride in the presence of HCl, dry HCl, and it is a very good method of testing out the degree of alcohol. Primary, secondary, tertiary बहुत आराम से देता है, and it reaction proceeds by a carbocation intermediate. हाँ जी, तो answer, what is the answer? The answer is option A, not the option C. You guys got it wrong. बेटा उल्टा सोचो. क्या हुआ उल्टा सोचने की बात को? They are saying it is giving you isobutene. This is isobutene. This is isobutene. ठीक है? It is coming from alcoholic KOH. Try to reverse engineer the answer. So alpha elimination happens. Oh, I'm sorry. Beta elimination happens. My bad. I'm so sorry. So this must be your compound B. उल्टा सोचो ना भाइयों और बहनों, है ना? उल्टा सोचना है, right? DP, stop spamming the chat. That's not a good habit. That's not good. That's not good. Now think reverse, and they are saying Lucas reagent you have added here. If you add Lucas reagent, it is actually added on alcohols. Can you think what will be the alcohol degree now? Tertiary alcohol. सबको समझ आया? सबको clear हुआ? It's a 3 degree alcohol, and 3 degree alcohol gives very fast. This is nothing but Lucas reagent, and it will give turbidity. It will give the test. It will give the test of tertiary alcohol. Turbidity would be formed. Cloudiness in the in the test tube would come within 5-10 minutes. Within 5 minutes actually. Very instantly it will give turbidity, and you will be able to detect that there was tertiary alcohol, your favorite compound, in the test tube. Understood? All right. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है? Thank you so much. And yes, if you guys are looking out for more questions on advanced level, I have done up a series called Killer 5, in which I have actually killed it, right? So make sure you check it out. Some amazing questions I have done here. The link to which is there again in the description box. Just click on it. I have done entire organic chemistry, some inorganic chemistry also, some physical chemistry also. Taken up the best advanced questions and I have done it. So you can also just put an extra oomph in your preparation by going through this beautiful series called as Killer 5. Okay? I'm just promoting way too much right now. But this one is not a bad promotion. This one, boys and girls, if you want a systematic timetable for you, if you are struggling to make a proper timetable for you guys, we will make one for you. We'll give you a proper timetable for the week, for the entire month. We'll make sure every day you are learning. If you want your doubts to be cleared, instantly live, right? We will clear your live, doubts in our live sessions. We will give you questions on advanced as well as of mains level. Yes, mains level questions will definitely be there, but advanced level will also touch. Okay? And we will make sure that every day you are utilizing, you are getting something out of your day. You have limited days. We will make sure you are getting the content, questions, more questions of JEE based on mains and advanced level. Doubt clearance would be there. This has just started. So right now, if you are looking out for a beautiful crash course crafted out so your preparations can be amped up, definitely join this crash course and use my coupon code, link to which is again in the description box. Click on that link. For today and for few days now, this course is available at a very low price, that is nothing but 4,500 rupees or 4.5k. You will be learning from the best teachers in India right now. So make sure you do that and use my coupon code. It will help you a lot. Thank you so much. I have just loved the session today. If you have liked it, definitely make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And yes, please, one more thing, download the Telegram app, subscribe to our channel, that is nothing but Vedantu JEE. We are giving you assignments, PDF content. We are telling you we are coming up live, so you can actually come and attend our live lectures. We are giving you questions, so make sure you be a part of that group, and it is for free. So why don't you join it? Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye bye.